This was my first project ever. It was a tribute page to Stan Lee, and I only used HTML and CSS. All I needed was a title, a picture, intro, and I put a bunch of word bubbles with Stan Lee quotes in there to make it look like a comic book, uh, and then some links at the bottom. And that was it. And I got it looking the way I wanted it. I fulfilled all the tests. But when I tried resizing it, craziness happened. Some things resized, some things didn't. Things were popping out of their containers and going left and right, and it was bad. So even though I passed the test, I didn't really want to move on. I didn't feel good about having a responsive web design certification unless I could actually make a website responsive. Seems kind of like I should be able to do that. So, but I found a great website called internetingishard.com, and I just love all his diagrams, and his explanations made so much sense, and his examples, and he emphasized designing for mobile first, which I had heard of before. So I decided to go back and basically redesign the whole thing to be mobile first, just using Flexbox. I think I had used Grid before a little bit. And this is what I ended up with. And if we check it out here, resize it, ta-da! Everything's in the middle, it's resizing, nothing funky is happening, and it's great. I did end up using one media query for larger screens because I like that little blue border around the side. It's kind of, I like blue. But I felt better about my ability to create responsive web design, and I was ready to move on to JavaScript.